Hi guys, today I'm creating this beautiful tablescape using fresh lemons and natural earthy tones. So let's get started. So first I'll be starting with this neutral table runner to keep things soft and natural. You can use a tablecloth or you can leave the table bare like I'm doing today if you like that wood look, and for sure this darker table is going to bring some extra depth to my setting. Today's video is also a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the theme is natural elements. I'm using these yellow woven placemats to give that extra pop of color to the earthy tones I'll be using today. I'm doing a setting for 4 today, so I also have these jute or rope mats that I'm going to be layering on top of my yellow placemats. The table runner is from Amazon. The yellow placemats I got as a gift from my cousin, and the jute mats I got from Temu. I think I've had those for a while now. Next, I'll be adding these wood slices for that added natural rustic feel. These were from Walmart, and you can use one large piece or layer a few smaller pieces for more dimension. I'm adding these white plates to keep it clean and balanced, and these were from Michael's, and I've used these before. I'm just really using most of what I already have to create this look as well. I'll be using these napkin holders today, and these are from Amazon, and they are definitely giving that rustic farmhouse type vibe. So I'll also be doing just a simple napkin fold, and then I'll be adding them to my plates. And guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. So I got my napkins all folded, so now I'm just adding them to the plates. Next, I'll be making the centerpiece using fresh lemon slices. So I have this container I got at Home Sense some time ago, and I have this plastic container that I'll add in the middle, and then I'll add the lemon slices around the plastic container. I'm going to be stacking these all the way to the top, and if you're going to be using this for some time, you can add some water to the container to keep your lemons fresh. And if you're going to be using real flowers, or if you want to add some flowers to this, you can add some water to the middle container as well to keep your flowers fresh. I'll be using these 2 small mason jars as well, and I'm just going to be adding some lemon slices and cinnamon sticks, and I'll add some water and some greenery to this later. I will be using the lemon slices and the cinnamon sticks after to make some natural air freshener by simmering them in a pot with some vanilla, or you can use rosemary as well. This will make your house smell really nice, so nothing will be going to waste here. I'm going to be adding these flowers to the centerpiece I made. They are chrysanthemums and daisies, and I really love the pop of yellow. It's bringing that brightness that's bringing the table to life. So these flowers I've also had for some time, and I got these at the dollar store. And I'm really just going with the flow. I'm just really loving how everything is coming together so far. The blend of the earthy tones with the pop of yellow is just really pretty. Now for the small mason jars, I'm going to be leaving them as his, but you could definitely turn these into water candles or add some floating candles for some extra coziness. I'll be adding some more lemons to the centerpiece to bring that organic feel. You could definitely add your lemons in a bowl or stack them for a more styled look. To help soften everything, I'm adding some greenery to help tie in that natural theme and give it a fresh look. And that's it, guys, for my natural elements tablescape. I really love how fresh and simple this turned out. This look is perfect for Austin. It's perfect for spring or Easter brunch, or even everyday dining if you want something a little bit special. So I've used bits and pieces of natural decor throughout this setup to go along with the theme. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.